If you guys have been following me for the past few days, you might know that I was traveling in Thailand for a tech event, right? It was Lenovo's Innovate 24 event organized in Bangkok, where they will be showcasing their all new 2024 lineup of PCs and laptops powered by AI. So it was like a 4-day trip, and first day was like pretty chill, guys. Basically like arriving in Thailand, catching up with Lenovo's team and also fellow creators. Main event was on the second and third day. So on the first day, right, we went exploring the streets of Bangkok, visited local tech markets and shopping areas. It was like super fun day, guys, and I'll be posting that content separately on the channel, so make sure to watch it as well. Anyways, that was how my day 1 went. Now coming back to the main timeline. Yo, good morning guys, day 2 of our Bangkok trip, and today is the main event today, guys. Lenovo Innovate 24. I've told you people, right, today we'll be getting to check out some next gen technologies, 2024 technologies from Lenovo, Intel and Microsoft. They haven't exactly told what sort of products or technologies they'll be showcasing, but they definitely hyped up this event, guys, so I'm like very excited for this. I'm pretty sure we might get to check out some 2024 variants of their new laptops, plus we'll also be getting to check out some AI ready PCs and deep dive sessions and much more. I'll keep you guys posted and try to show you all the information I can from this event. And apart from that, good thing is the whole event is happening in the same hotel, guys, Conrad Hotel Bangkok, and luckily I don't need to travel anywhere, so we'll be saving a bit of time. So the event will start at around 10 o'clock and time right now I believe is 8 o'clock. Yes, so we do have plenty of time, but I still didn't go have my breakfast. Breakfast is in the lobby or first floor I believe, and we are on the 19th floor of this hotel, guys. Lot of people have come, guys. Lenovo's global team is there, international YouTubers and media, and from India very select few creators are only there. We'll anyhow catch up with them at the breakfast. Wait a second, I haven't shown you my hotel room, right? So let me just quickly turn around and show you how my room looks like. And there you go, boys, this is our hotel room. It's like a deluxe king edition room. Big bed is there and pretty good hotel, I would say, guys. Very nice interiors. I mean, look at this. For one person, this is more than enough. Let me also show you the view outside. Beautiful view, guys. So it's got around like 25-26 floors, I believe, and we are on the 19th floor. And man, it looks awesome. So basically we are at the city center, guys, Bangkok city center. Weather looks really nice from the balcony, right? But just wait until sometime 10-11 o'clock, then you'll get to know the actual feel. Before coming here, I saw the weather. It said it's around like 33-34 degrees, which is like pretty normal for our Indian climate, right? But nay, it is quite different over here, guys. It is actually quite humid, I would say, and definitely very hot. I bought a lot of jackets and, you know, different sort of clothes, but totally waste, guys. I'm telling you, we were traveling the whole day yesterday and sweating a lot within some time only. I would highly advise you to get summer clothes, especially around like March and April in Bangkok, Thailand, guys. Time is almost running out. Let's quickly go down and have a breakfast. My god, there's a lot of crowd over here, guys. I mean, look at this. We've got a couple of our Indian YouTubers as well. Hi, what's up, man? How are you? So guys, we have Ritik over here from Halka Tech, and this is Nazir and from, you know, Telugu Tech Report. So how are you guys enjoying the event?
Yes.
It's good?
Yes.
So guys, event is yet to start. We still have around like 30 minutes right now, and we're just waiting, having fun.
The PC King is here.
Hello,
Hi,
what is
sis.
happening?
If you have any doubts regarding PC build, PC, Intel, AMD, this is the man.
I do check out.
Hi guys, call me
guys.
Shasam here from Kerala.
Shaz here. What's happening, Shaz? How's the whole vibe over here?
It's cool.
It's cool, right?
Let's go inside and see what's new, and let's
Yes.
hope that we get to see the transparent.
Something, yes,
laptop.
something new from MWC. I'm
Yes.
also looking forward to that.
Please don't disappoint us.
Say hello.
Hello.
This
Guys,
is,
this is
Monica
Monica.
from Lenovo.
Hi guys.
After having a fun meet and greet session with our fellow creators, the event finally kicked off, and man, look at that stage! Jaw-dropping, right? The presentation went on for quite a bit of time, where Lenovo spoke about their roadmap for 2024 and unveiled their all-new, much-awaited product lineup, including AI-powered PCs and laptops. Basically, your 14th Gen Legion and LOQ Gaming Laptops, and also Intel Core Ultra powered notebooks like the 2024 Yoga series lineup. All of them with Microsoft Copilot integration. Microsoft Copilot AI is definitely playing a key role this year, guys. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. Stay tuned. Once the keynote presentation was done, the demo zone was opened up for the public, and that is where all the media and creators got their hands on their all new 2024 products. As I've told you, we not only got to check out Lenovo's new laptops, but also their pre-built gaming PCs and also all-in-one solutions as well. There were different zones organized in the place with different setups, so creators can get a look and feel how these new products blend in with our day-to-day life. There was a living room experience, game room was also there with full-on Legion gaming setup, including the Legion gaming monitor, peripherals, and also the new pre-built Legion PC. Now moving over from the PC side, here we came to the laptop demo area featuring their 2024 Yoga lineup powered by Intel's Core Ultra CPUs. As I've told you, we got to check out their Yoga Slim series, Pro series 2-in-1s, and also the dual screen Yoga book as well. 2024 Yoga series got a huge upgrade in terms of both design and also hardware, making it much more convenient for the users. Almost all the Yoga series laptops now come with an option for a pure sight OLED display, that too color calibrated out of the box with Delta E less than 1, 100% DCI P3 color gamut range support, Dolby Vision HDR, and yes, obviously higher refresh rate as well. I got some time to play with the laptops over there and was quite impressed, especially with the display, guys. And not just the display highlight, if you look at the hardware side also, as I've told you, you're getting like all new processors as well. Intel Core Ultra CPUs, Core Ultra 5, 7 or 9 depending on the variant, paired with up to RTX 4060, which is a great hardware combo, especially for creators like me. Though again, this was mostly like a first time hands-on and initial impressions, right? I can't wait to see how they perform in day-to-day activities and also benchmarks back at our place in India. Apart from the Slim and Pro series, I also really like the 2-in-1, and man, that dual screen Yoga book was mind blowing. It literally had dual pure sight OLED touch displays on board, that too with a rotating hinge design. I mean, look at this! You can use the laptop in like multiple positions as and how you like it. Definitely justifies the name Yoga. And crazy thing is, you see this hinge at the center, it had an integrated sound bar from BMW. That is rad, right? And as I've told you earlier, all these brand new Lenovo laptops come with Microsoft Copilot integration and also a dedicated Copilot keys present on the keyboard. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant that is designed to help and assist you in all your works. You can use it to gather information, can answer all your queries or questions, plus is also capable of using generative AI. In fact, Microsoft actually had like a dedicated zone over there where they were showcasing Copilot's cool AI features. We had a fun session where we got to use Copilot AI and generated an artwork and real-time printed it on canvas bags, guys. A really cool experience. Finally, moving over from the regular lineup, now came to the much awaited gaming zone. I know you people were waiting for this part, and I'm telling you, right, this was super awesome. Here we got our hands on the brand new 14th Gen LOQ and Legion gaming laptops. Major upgrade from the previous gen lineup, and not just the internal hardware, everything has been redesigned. New and better displays, improved cooling solution, AI engine integration, and of course brand new 14th Gen HX series CPUs, which are probably the most powerful CPUs we've seen on gaming laptops. One main thing that really piqued my interest over there was their all new redesigned thermal solution, which they're calling it as cold front hyper chamber. So previously on all their laptops, right, you used to get multiple exhaust vents on the sides, at the back as well, right? That was actually found to be inefficient. Now what they've done is they've entirely redesigned the whole airflow path itself. Instead of from the sides, the hot air is now forced through a channel like hyperbaric chamber at the central area and released at the back side. Plus, the bottom cover has also been redesigned in such a way that it prevents all the hot air that is coming from the backside from mixing with the cold air that is being pulled by the dual fans on the bottom, thus optimizing the overall heat exchange and keeps the laptop running much cooler than before. Very intelligent design, guys, and thanks to this, now we are able to achieve up to 190 watts of max TDP in the regular Legion 5i series and up to 175 watts on the slimmer Legion 7i series. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any chance to do some benchmarking benchmarks or play some games over there, but I'm pretty sure we'll be getting our hands on the review units back at my place in India, guys. So stay tuned for all the reviews and unboxings on our channel. And boys, we are finally back to our hotel room. That was basically like our entire wrap up on Lenovo's Innovate 2024 event happening in Bangkok, Thailand. It was definitely a busy day. I mean, the whole event ran till almost like 4 o'clock, and after that we had like a small break, and from there we assembled in the lobby. Everybody went for like team dinner with the whole Lenovo team and all the media guys. I had like a great day, guys, today. And now finally almost like 9:30 it is. Yes, 9:30, 10 o'clock right now, and I'm now in the hotel, guys. And as soon as I actually came to the hotel room, right, we had a surprise box from Lenovo, Microsoft and Intel. I mean, look at this. I have no idea what's inside this thing. Maybe like a small souvenir gift. Let me quickly unbox and show it to you. By the way, this is how the whole packaging looks like. It's not that heavy, so I'm like pretty curious what's inside this thing. Let me just quickly open it and show you. Lenovo, what did you guys pack in this? Okay, as soon as I open it, right, we actually have like a message. You people can pause the video and read. So it says, hey Vimal, step into the future and brace yourself for technology that defies your creativity. From Team Lenovo. Thank you, Lenovo, for this. And oh wow, look at this thing. Looks like some sort of souvenirs, guys. Very nice. Are these like fridge magnets? No, they're not magnets. Looks like they're made of like rubbery silicone sort of material. They've also gave some goodies as well. This is a Intel water bottle, guys. That too, it can show temperature at the top side, I guess. Yes, it even shows temperature, water temperature. Pretty handy, I would say. And lastly, an Intel branded cap. So pretty cool, right? Anyways, that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.